Alright, hey guys, so here we have another Hunter original. This fan actually isn't mine, I'm holding it for a collector until we have a chance to meet up. It's kind of been kicking around for long enough, and I had a J-hook up there, so I figured I'd throw it up there and give her a whirl. This fan is from 1984, I don't know the exact week or whatever, I don't know that far into dating the Hunter tags, but I do know it's from 1984. Well, at least I think it's from 1984. I'm not 100% positive. Um, if it's anything like a normal Hunter tag, then yeah, it's from 84, but I'm not 100% positive. So, anyways, it's a little 36-inch white one. I prefer these much over the 36-inch ones. I just think they look better. I think they're a little bit quicker because they don't have as much weight on the blade brackets. I actually really kind of like the proportions of this. Um, Never really paid much attention to the 36-inch ones because I didn't realize they were actually somewhat decent fans. Overall, it's a pretty well-built fan. Um, yeah, the 42-inch ones are kind of slouches. I mean, there is airflow, but not very great airflow. 36-inch ones definitely push a little more. But yeah, look at it. Overall, it's in pretty good condition. For whatever reason, Hunter originals don't fare all that great. At least the older ones. The newer ones seem to hold up just fine. I don't really know why that is. I think the older ones are used more commercially than residentially. So that could have something to do with it. So I am using the test rig. It's on. Oh, that's false. Yeah. 119. Almost exactly 120. Alright, so I forget what these are rated for. It's either 1.5, 1.5, or like 1.25, somewhere around there. Yeah, I want to say it's 1.5, but well, anyways, let's find out. Goes to 1.55, 57. A little buzzy. That switch cap isn't on there perfectly. I only have one screw for it. Yeah, I'm guessing 1.5 amps is what they're rated for. Which is quite a bit considering that these aren't that powerful. It's actually more than antiques, I think. I think the antique hunters only draw like an amp, or maybe just a little over an amp. Yeah, 1.49. Alright, so let's do spin down. Alright, let's go low. See what that is. Spin down was a little quick there. 0.87. Yeah, I've always known these to be kind of power hungry little things. Low speed's not too bad though. Yeah, it's like borderline aesthetic. Well, okay, it's not aesthetic, but it's, it does its job. Yeah, 0.87, alright. So, that gauge, see what that gets us. Alright. Let's see. There it goes. I wasn't drawing anything before. What are we at? 8? 9.54. We're gonna keep going. No. 10? Inching along at 11.65. 12.73. Yeah, that's where it starts, huh? So there's a reason these things don't have a lower load speed. You can only expect so much from shaded pole. It's not a bad low speed though. It's aesthetic. Probably doesn't do anything, but it's aesthetic, so there's that. Let's go to 13.83. Wow, that's almost our factory low speed. It's not increasing any though. 14.91. Yeah, that's over our factory low. It's quite a bit slower though. That's interesting. Need someone who knows motors a little bit better to explain that to me, how that works. Can't remember if these have two separate tabs for low and medium or not. Or high and medium, I should say. 15.1.20. Alright. 16.12. 17.23. 18. 1.35. 19. 1.46. I think that's what we drew on higher, right? And that's not even high speed. 1.52. 20. Yeah, that's over. It's quite a lot. It really jumps up. Alright, let's switch over to solid state. Alright. See where this starts at. Starts at 0.69. Starts a little easier on. No, that's probably about where it started before. Going about slow. Give it, so we're at 12 o'clock, let's give it a quarter of a turn. 0.99, wow. Alright, another quarter of a turn. We're at 9. 1.49. And full straight high, that's, yeah, 1.47. Alright then. Yeah, so these things don't have much of a range of speeds. I guess that's pretty much everything. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.